If you're a health conscious person, soya chunks ought to be there on your diet. But what do you do when you have to make them tasty? Simple, make soya fry. How? I'll show you. First, I'm going to start with soaking the soya chunks. Put them in a bowl, hot water, just a little bit of salt, and let them soak for 15 minutes. Till then, I'm going to start sorting the masala for this. Heat oil. Add shredded onions. Cook them for a couple of minutes. Next, add in some sliced garlic, also some thinly julienned ginger, slit green chillies, finely chopped tomatoes, also add in all the spices, red chilli powder, garam masala, chaat masala, the soya chunks have softened now, and now I'm going to drain out all the water. And now in the pan. Toss them up. Make sure the masala is nicely coated. Salt to taste. Some lemon juice. In the end, add lots of coriander leaves. And this is ready. Let's plate this. When you're bored of your usual paneer starters, this is a good option to try out. So do make this at home. Let me know how it turned out. Subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.